How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I am good, thank you. What's
So
your name?
my name is Ruby.
Ruby. Wow, such a beautiful name.
Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba, that's a beautiful name. What does it mean?
Thank you. Uh, I don't know.
Oh, okay. No problem. It just
And
sounds
you know,
beautiful.
Ruby name is very famous in India.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Oh, why? Because of the stone.
because this name is very easy.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. My sister, she's called Amber because my mom loves the stones.
Oh,
Do you know the gemstone of ruby, the red
yeah.
stone? Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
And then there's Amber as well. So
Yeah.
can you tell me a bit about yourself? Can you tell me about you?
Yes. My name is Sahiba, and I am from India. Right now, I am living in Kashmir, and I am in 12th grade right now. I am 17 years old. Yes.
Okay. And so today, would you like to just have a conversation or would you like to go through one of the lessons that Cambly provides?
Uh, Conversation. You ask
Conversation.
me, yeah. I want you to ask me some small questions.
Okay.
I will, yes.
Okay. So what is your favorite topic to study in school and why?
Actually, um, IT, you know,
Mm-hmm. IT?
IT subject and English, IT, English and Urdu subject is very. I like these subjects
Okay.
in
And
school.
why do you like them?
Hmm, because I want to become an Islamic scholar.
Okay,
So
wow.
yes, so English, Urdu, uh, two subjects are very important for Islamic scholar. Very useful.
Wow.
Yeah. So
Okay,
that's why I am interested in these subjects.
so can you tell me the steps that you need to take to become an Islamic scholar? What will you need to do?
For Islamic scholar,
Yeah.
uh, actually this is a religious study, you know.
Hmm.
Yeah. So I let me think. Actually,
Of course.
I think in Urdu language in my mind, and then I translate in English.
Yeah.
Yes. Uh, I Islamic study. It's very hard.
I can imagine,
So
yes.
yes, yes. So uh, I will improve this study in 4 or 5 years. Very
Okay.
long time. Yes. So yeah.
Okay, so you need to get good education.
Yes, yes.
And
I
sorry, yeah.
I I want to gain all knowledge of Islam.
Yeah, great.
Yes,
And
yes.
then, so you need this for education. And then what skills do you need? What skills do you need?
Sorry.
So if we think about skills, so this is your education about Islam, but then there's skills. For example, maybe you need to be patient, you need to be focused, you
Yes.
need to be
Focus.
determined, you
Focus.
need,
Focus.
yeah, you need to be determined to
Determined
stay
means.
determined. It means whenever you are, I'll type the word for you, determined.
Mhm.
When you are set that you really want to achieve something.
Speak again.
determined when you have a goal and you believe that you want to achieve it. You're very
Yes, yes.
determined.
Yeah. Okay.
Decision, and you're gonna stick with it.
Yes.
Okay, very good. That's excellent. And so when you're not studying, what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like reading Islamic books. I read mostly, and sometimes I read English books, and I paint
Wow,
in my laptop sometimes.
nice.
Yes, and I like cooking.
Cooking.
Yes,
Ah, excellent. What sort of things can you cook?
vegetables, uh, biryani. You know,
Delicious. Yes.
yes, chicken biryani and chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Great. I'm sure you're better at cooking than I am. I'm not good. So, what are your favorite types of books to read?
uh, Islamic books, religious books,
Mm-hmm.
mostly. Yes.
Okay. And so, the city that you live in now, is that the city that you were born in?
Yes, yes. In Jammu
Okay.
and Kashmir, I was.
Okay. So, do
Yes.
you think that you will stay in that city for your studies, or would you go somewhere else?
For study,
Mm-hmm.
I want to go outside, out of India.
Okay.
Yes.
Where?
In America.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
So why would you like to go to America?
Because there is a professional college.
Hello? 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 I'm so sorry.
Can you hear me now?
Yes. Yes. I just heard you say there is a professional college and then
And then there is a lot of Islamic scholar.
okay.
Yes.
So this sounds perfect.
Yes, yes. So in India, in here, I don't know, there is a best college.
Okay.
Yes, but I follow American teacher.
Okay.
Yes,
Excellent. Whereabouts in America are they?
in California.
Oh, cool.
Yes,
That's very exciting to have this ambition.
some Cambly teachers ask me uh, where uh, where you want to go in America. Hmm?
Yes.
I um I I say um, in California. Some teachers tell me we I'm jealous with you
Yeah.
because you because you want to go to in California.
Yeah, California is like famous for being the cool part of America, very relaxed part of
Yes, yes.
America, nice and calm place.
I think it's very famous place.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Yes, I think so.
yeah.
That
So
sounds
that's
excellent.
yeah.
Wow, it sounds like you have such ambition.
Yeah.
I think our time is closing.
Yes.
Only a few seconds left, but it was really lovely to talk to you.
Yeah.
And I wish you so much luck in your studies.
Thank you.
No problem at all. Have a
Bye
lovely
bye.
evening. Bye bye.